Good morning, students. Our today's topic is cotton textile industry. In the topic of secondary industries in the subject of geography O levels. So concentrate yourself here. We are going to start. Cotton textile industry. This is the largest industry of Pakistan. About 64% of the total export earnings are cotton related. So look at the contribution of the cotton textile industry in the export of Pakistan. About 64% of the total export earnings are from cotton related products. Karachi is the biggest cotton textile center, followed by Faisalabad and Hyderabad. So Karachi is the biggest, then comes the Faisalabad, and finally the Hyderabad. So number 1, 2, 3 places are there as far as the cotton textile industry size is concerned. The next thing that we are going to read is the main process are carried out. The first process that is carried out in the making of the textile is ginning. Lint, that is white fluffy cotton, is separated from seed at ginning factories mostly, and at the cotton textile mills only at some places. So the first step in making a textile product is the ginning, that is actually separating lint from the seed. Ginning mills are located within the cotton producing areas, so to save the transportation cost. Out of a total of 12 ginning mills, 85% in Punjab and 15% in Sindh. More are located in Punjab because Punjab is mainly a cotton producing area. The next step in the textile making process is cotton spinning. Cotton yarn is produced from raw cotton, that is from lint. Out of 450 units, only 403 are operative. Large quantity is exported, and Pakistan's share in the world market is 30%. So look at the contribution of Pakistan as far as cotton spinning is concerned. So large quantities exported. So almost 30% share is of Pakistan in the world sphere in this cotton spinning area. Steady increase in the yarn production since 1947. The next step in the cotton making, in the textile making products is the cotton weaving. So making of the cloth from the yarn in the weaving units. 50 of them are operative till 2006. The next thing that we are going to read is the location and the distribution of the cotton textile industries in Pakistan. By 2006, about 370 mills in Pakistan. Karachi, the largest center because of. So Karachi is attracting more textile industries because of these features, because Karachi is Karachi is having a developed infrastructure, its own power supply, thermal and nuclear by KESE, that is Karachi Electric Supply Corporation. So Karachi is a developed city that is having a developed infrastructure as far as roads, bridges are concerned, telecommunication is concerned, efficient transport system, being the port city, easy to import machinery and export products. So this is the big advantage that Karachi is having because it is a port city. So it is very easy for the textile industries to import machinery and export products from here. Being well connected to the major cotton growing belt around the Hyderabad, because Hyderabad is a cotton growing area and Karachi is well connected. So that's why the Karachi is attracting textile industry. Large market and easily available skilled force. So these are the things due to which Karachi is well for locating the textile industries. Karachi is, however, away from the cotton growing regions of the lower Sindh, and electricity cost is relatively higher. So these are the drawbacks now, due to which the textile industry owners are now getting fed up. So electricity cost is relatively high, and the Karachi is, however, away from the lower Sindh. Moreover, Karachi has been experiencing a serious power shortage crisis since 2003. So government has to improve these points if they want to keep Karachi as the largest textile industry area. Then comes the Faisalabad, second largest center of the cotton textile industry, located within the cotton growing belt of the Punjab. Third largest city in terms of the population, so cheap labor and big market. So here are the features due to which the Faisalabad is the second largest city as far as the textile industry is concerned, because cheap labor and big market is here. Infrastructure, that is road, telecommunication, power, gas and water supply is easily available here, has been considerably developed. Government support in the form of the various incentives and industrial states. So these are the points due to which Faisalabad is attracting the textile industry here. Hyderabad is the third largest textile city, located in the cotton growing area of the lower Sindh. So these are the points due to which Hyderabad is the third largest textile city, because it is located in the cotton growing area of lower Sindh, second largest city of the Sindh, and remained capital of the Sindh till 1960. So due to which the developed infrastructure is there, availability of the cheap labor and big market is here, supplies cloth to its own market and that of the neighboring cities, exports by using Karachi port. So these are the points due to which Karachi is the third largest textile city. In addition to these three cities, cotton textile mills have been established in KPK, Peshawar, Nowshera, Sindh, Tandu Adam, Larkana, Khairpur, Balochistan, Hub and Quetta, and many cities of the Punjab, that is Okada, Multan, Lahore and Rahim Yar Khan. So here are also these are also textile cities. Thus, cotton textile industry absorbs a huge industrial workforce of the Pakistan, because Pakistan is earning 64% of the total export finance from the textile industry. So a huge industrial workforce is absorbed in this industry. The next thing that we are going to read is the importance of the cotton textile industry. It contributes about 7% of the GDP, that is gross domestic product, produced to the economy. So this is a big share. So this is the first importance. That second is provides employment to a large industrial workforce. Next, more than 60% of the export earnings comes from the cotton products. Next is meets the domestic needs almost fully, and thus precious foreign exchange is saved that would otherwise be spent on the imports. So this is the very big contribution of the textile industry. So these are the importance. The next thing that we are going to read is the problems of the cotton textile industry. The first one is the supply of the raw cotton may be suspended due to the climatic restrictions, that is floods, and the CLV, that is curl leaf virus attack. So Pakistan should have good systems which can inform the farmers well before the floods are coming, and government should use modern technology to eliminate CLV attack. Next is growing competition with the China, Hong Kong, South Korea, Thailand, Taiwan, Egypt, and the more recently Bangladesh, because they are producing good quality textile products and at the cheap price. Next is fluctuations in the international market may affect Pakistan's economy adversely because of the heavy dependence on this industry. So because the competitors are producing good quality products at the cheap price, so Pakistan's textile industry is facing problems. Lack of attempts and finance for research, modernization and value addition. So these are also the problems, because Pakistani government is not financing for research, modernization and value addition in the textile industry. Next is electricity run non-mill weaving units. So electricity is shortage is there. At the same time, the electricity cost is very high. So this is another problem that the textile industry is facing. Next is their number has increased considerably in the recent years, able to consume more yarn than mill looms, so more valuable for the yarn producers. So locally made accessories and spare parts. So these are the some problems which the textile industry is facing, because modernization is not there. Government is not spending finance on the research. Okay, the next thing that we are going to read is the cotton textile products. Cloth, garments, towels, pharmaceutical items in which bandages and cotton rolls are there, and a variety of the hosiery items in which vest and undergarments, socks, gloves, t-shirts, jerseys, and the sweaters are there. So these are some common cotton textile products in Pakistan. Products are supplied to the huge local market and exported to the USA, the EU, that is European Union countries, especially West European countries and the Middle East states. Demand specially increases for the peculiar Hajj pilgrimage outfit every year seasonally. So this is the seasonal demand which increase. So this is the lecture, students. I hope so this will be easier for you to understand now. So read this lecture again, understand it, learn it, and make your notes. Thank you so much.